Do you hate hearing blasphemy in the workplace? Is it annoying to put in your 2 weeks notice so that you can take off work to evangelize? Is your job flexible and does it pay you enough to support you and your family? Are you tired of waking up every day to go to a job that you dislike and have to put up with people's sin every day? Hi, my name's Noah, and I'm a Christian that focuses on evangelism as their life goal. In this video, I will be showing and explaining to you how I found a source of income that's flexible around evangelism and I'm able to save money for the future. Whether you are looking for a part-time job or a full-time job, this video will be great for you. Alright, so you might be asking, Noah, what is your source of income that you're talking about? I'm glad you asked. On September 27th, I started doing UberEats, DoorDash, and GrubHub. My brother in the past did DoorDash, so that's what made it pop in my mind. But then I watched a lot of YouTube videos online about people doing DoorDash, GrubHub, and UberEats and making a lot of money and making good money doing food delivery. So I did my research and then I applied. And when I first started doing this, I already had a full-time job doing security. I made $12.33. I was just making enough to pay my bills, but that's it. I wasn't able to save up. I was just basically poor and broke. So I started doing food delivery part-time. So let me show you exactly how much I worked and how much I made. So my first week, September 27th through October 3rd, was part-time. I worked both jobs during this week. I worked 11.6 hours and I made $263.30. That comes to a total of $22.61. As you can see, I only worked a couple hours on Wednesday and Thursday, and then I worked about 4 to 5 hours on Saturday and Sunday. I made a pretty decent amount of money just in my free time. Let's go to the next week. I made, from October 4th to October 10th, I made $203.17. I worked 12 hours and 3 cents for a total of $16.57 an hour. As you can see, I worked a lot on Wednesday because that's the day I was off. I worked 7.6 hours on Wednesday and made $108. And then on Friday and Saturday, I worked when I could. On Monday, I worked a little bit. And on Tuesday, I worked a decent amount. And on Tuesday, I worked 4.7 hours. And I made $64.90. October 11th through the 17th, I worked 35.7 hours. I made $562.54, which equals $15.74 an hour. This week, I worked 5 days. I didn't work at all on Thursday, and I didn't work at all on Saturday. So I only worked 4 days this week, and I made $562.54. And I believe that this was part-time as well, when I was working 2 jobs. So October the 18th through the 24th, I made $595.64. I worked 28 hours. That gets me a total of $21.01 per hour. So I had some issues from work. I reported harassment at my security job and they suspended me for reporting that on the 22nd. So from then on, I've been doing DoorDash, GrubHub, and UberEats full time. So then for full time, October 25th through the 31st, I worked 45.5 hours. I made $645.56. That's $17.16 an hour. And I worked a whole bunch of hours every day to get this. And it's like $200 more than my old job. And so November 1st through the 7th, I worked 46 hours. I made $620.69. That's $16.30 an hour. I took Monday off and I worked all the other days. I worked 10 hours on Tuesday. I made $153.25. On Wednesday, I worked 7 hours and I made $95.12. On Thursday, I worked 4.6 hours and I made $81.29. November 1st through the 7th, I worked 46.5 hours and I made $757.68. That's about $16.30 an hour. November 8th through the 14th, I worked 50 hours, $774.04 is what I made, which is about $15.35 total. November 15th through the 21st is currently this week that I'm filming this video, and I have worked 19 hours and 2 minutes this week, and I made $370.08, which is about $19.31 an hour. And today I only worked 30 minutes and I made about $8. So this job is really convenient. There are some cons of doing food delivery because you have to save up about 30% for taxes, and then you have to save up about 5% for car repairs and car savings for when you're gonna need to buy another car. And you also have to factor in the gas that you spend. So it's doable for a full-time job, but it's the best as a part-time job. That's what I'm trying to do, is get another part-time job so I can do both at the same time. So really, if you make about $1,000, your take-home pay is only about $600, $500 to $600 if you think about it, if you do all the math. I recently went about a week, 6 days without working because I had tire problems and I didn't have an extra tire. But then my dad, he bought me an extra tire, and then I had another hole in my tire. But thankfully I had a backup tire, because the modern day spare tires aren't actually spare tires. They're just for like 50 miles, which is pretty annoying. So yeah, it's always good to have some money saved up because they do add up, all those repairs and everything, because you're gonna have to get oil changes, brake pads changed. So, do I recommend you quitting your job just to do food delivery? No. But what I do recommend is maybe trying it out part-time and then finding a job that you like more and then just adding food delivery to it. Because that way, if you do ever need to be more flexible, you can just simply not do food delivery that day. In the future videos, I am going to vlog myself delivering food for DoorDash, UberEats, and GrubHub. I'm going to document what I make and how fun and easy it is, and I'm going to do that so that you guys can see it. So I can not only tell you guys about it, but I can show you, and so I can encourage you and inspire you to do it yourself. If you want to learn more how to make money on UberEats, GrubHub, and DoorDash doing food delivery, if you're an unbeliever, I pray that you turn away from sin and you trust in Jesus, because I care about you. I don't want you to go to hell. And you might just find this content entertaining. Again, my name is Noah, and this channel is going to be dedicated to showing you guys how you can make good money and still have time to evangelize and worship the Lord as God has called you to do. So if you're interested in doing that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you never miss a video, and I'll see you in the next one.